The research shows that the last thing you focus on before you walk into a negotiation will have tremendous significance in your negotiation itself. So what you do not want to do is say to yourself, as long as I get, and think of your bottom line, like as long as I get it in a week, I'm fine. If you say that, you're going to end up probably getting in a week. What you want to do is open at the most assertive number you can possibly defend. So if I know that it's possible for me to get it in 2 days, the last thing I'm going to think about before I walk into a negotiation is 2 days, 2 days, 2 days. I'm much more likely to open assertively if that's the last number I focus on. So final focus should be your best position, not your final offer.